Coming to another example on guarantee of profits. In this question it is given that X and Y are partners in the ratio of 7:3. Their capitals were 5 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. According to the partnership deed, interest on capital is to be allowed at 10% per annum. Also, Y has been guaranteed a minimum profits of rupees 1,50,000 by X after interest on capital. That means guarantee is on profits left over after providing interest on capital. Net profit of the firm for the year amounted to 4,80,000. Show P&L appropriation account. So now students, the first entry would be by profit and loss account. This is net profit, and in this case it is given to be 4,80,000. Now interest on capital would be provided. Capitals are 5 lakh and 3 lakh for X and Y respectively, and interest is to be allowed at 10% per annum. So we will have to interest on capital for X and for Y. For X it is 10% of 5 lakh, which comes to 50,000. For Y it comes to 10% of 3 lakh, which is 30,000. Now students, 80,000 has been provided by way of interest on capital. There is no other thing as salary or commission, etc. So we will directly move to division of profits. Out of 4,80,000 we will deduct 80,000 and we will get profits. This profits would be transferred to partners capital account, profit for X and for Y. Now students, the total profit that should be divided is 4,80,000 minus 80,000 that is appearing on the debit side. 480 minus this is 4 lakhs. 4 lakh has to be divided and the total would be 480. But how this would be divided and what would be the effect of guarantee? Let us understand it now. 4 lakh would be divided in the ratio of 7:3. That is the profit sharing ratio. That means X will get 2,80,000. We can calculate it as 4 lakh into 7 by 10. For Y it would be 4 lakh into 3 by 10. It would be 1,20,000. Now students, I will just erase this as it was for just calculation purposes. Coming to Y only. Y has been guaranteed a minimum sum of rupees 1,50,000. But here Y is actually getting only rupees 1,20,000. That means there is a deficiency of 30,000 and this deficiency has to be met by X. So we will deduct 30,000 out of X, that is less to Y. 30,000. The amount that would be actually given to X would be 2,50,000. Then add from X 30,000 and this amount would be 1,50,000. So the total comes to 4 lakh and the guaranteed amount to Y has been fulfilled.